Thanks to their versatility, size, and ease of use, manual impulse sealers have become a popular choice in the packaging industry. Master the art of sealing with this easy-to-follow guide to using an impulse sealer, including tips and tricks to help you get the perfect seal every time. Let's dive in. There are many types of hand sealers, each with unique features, capabilities, and sealing dimensions. Before purchasing your sealer, consider factors such as size, thickness, and material of the bags you will be using. You should also think about the width of the seal, and whether you would benefit from a sealer with an integrated cutter. To ensure your safety and the safety of others, position your machine over a flat and level surface that is free of liquids and flammable materials. Place your sealer at a comfortable height, where the handle can be reached without strain or discomfort. Avoid electrical hazards or damage to your sealer by connecting it only to a suitable power source. Surface irregularities on your bag can create gaps or weak spots in the seal. Make sure your bag is clean and free of debris before placing your product inside. Before sealing, double-check for wrinkles, folds, or creases that could interfere with the sealing process, and make sure the bag is lying completely flat over the sealing area. Impulse sealers use an adjustable timer to control the heat applied during sealing. Test the sealing time on a sample bag first. Sealing times will vary based on the thickness and material of the bag, so begin with a shorter time and gradually increase it until you have achieved the perfect seal. To seal a bag, lower the sealing jaw and apply pressure on the handle to activate the sealer. A light will activate to indicate that the sealing process has begun. Hold the handle down until the light turns off. Then, allow the bag to cool for a few seconds before releasing the handle. After sealing, check the seal for damage, leaks, or defects to ensure your products are well packaged. If you notice any issues, adjust the seal time or handle pressure, and try again. We specialize in packaging optimization for business success, and are always here to help. If you have any questions about purchasing, using, maintaining, or repairing your impulse sealer, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. Thank you for watching.